Ruthie from FS Securities, and this morning I'm presenting to you our pick, and that is actually on the Pilbara Minerals Limited. The code is PLS ASX on the stock market. At the moment it's trading around 36 cents, and at the moment our recommendation for the investor, we are neutral. However, for the conservative or aggressive or very aggressive trader, we've got a leaning towards a bullish trend. And by the way, we think that a fair value for this company is around the 50 cents. And by the way, you always have to have a trailing stop loss. And we believe if you entered around the 36 cents, make sure that you're out by the time you get to close to 30 cents on the way down, if we are wrong. So that's the chart, as you can see here. The top chart is the weekly. It's been coming down quite a bit. So over the last 50 weeks, actually Pilbara has dropped by nearly 40%. However, if you see what happened on the daily chart the last 30 days, we've seen that the price has gone up from 20 cents to about 35 cents. And the reason for that is Pilbara is actually a lithium producing mining company. And here we are, the description: Australian lithium-tantalum producer, and through the development of the Pilgangoora Project, they are set to become one of the biggest lithium raw materials producers in the world. So I think Pilbara has got a good future, especially with the new technology that is moving around the world with new batteries, and of course batteries require a lot of lithium. Okay, so if you look at the balance sheet, you can see that from one year to another, it has been a major improvement, going from 87 million to 120 million. That is the total assets. That's the cash and cash equivalent. They've got plenty of money. And if you look at the total assets, going from 336 million to 531 million. And liabilities, you can see that they've got a lot less liability than assets, so it's a strong company as far as we are concerned. Market capitalization, it's just slightly below the 1 billion, so it's not just a small trader. They haven't made a lot of money in recent time, however the losses has been decreasing. They turn a revenue of about 43 million of recent times, and that is likely to increase, especially with the price of lithium going up. Daily charts, you can see here, the volume of recent days has been increasing, so there is a lot of interest, and when we see the price going up and the volume is going up, that's a very good sign. Looking at all the other indicators that we use, the stochastic is neutral, however the MACD is bullish, DMI is bullish, and RSI is bullish as well. As I mentioned earlier, the fair value is about 55 cents, and we are well below that fair value. In terms of various key figures, you can see here, if you compare the company versus the industry has been all negative, and lithium, the producing company Pilbara, has been doing slightly better. However, when you look at some of the expert values, unfortunately, they don't pay any dividends, so therefore the status is failure. Sales, they need to increase the sales. Current ratio is good, it's got a pass. Long-term debt in relation to net current asset is fail, according to some experts. However, there is a tint towards the buy area. As you can see here, you've got the sell, underperform, hold, buy, and it's slightly on the buy side. So that is all from us, and before we finish, I want to actually give you the disclosure. Everything we say here is only for general advice only, and before you take any action, please consult with us or with your professional advisor. Happy trading and happy good luck.